Cryptocurrencies are struggling as investors turn away from riskier assets. For example, Bitcoin has lost more than 20% of its value over the last 6 months. The CEO of banking group Standard Chartered is optimistic, though. He told Richard Quest in Davos that crypto is key to the future of money.
Banking is now thoroughly digital. What's coming next is that money itself, the actual instrument of money, is becoming digital. So it starts with cryptocurrencies, but it's also not linked to a fiat currency. These things called stable coins or central bank digital currencies or tokenized bank deposits, they're also cryptocurrencies, they're tokens. Those are now being used to move money around the world, instantaneous, 24/7, indelible ledger, where these things can be tracked, financial crime can be screened out, etc. That's the future of money, and it's happening right now.
How will that affect me?
If you don't already have it, you'll have a digital wallet, and your digital wallet will sit on your phone or on your computer, and instead of tapping into your bank account, you're going to go into your digital wallet, which is not going to be owned by a bank. It's going to be backed by digital money, and that digital payment can go anywhere in the world instantaneously with 100% traceability.
Does that digital money have to be backed?
Well, this is going to be a part of the debate, because in the US, with the Genius Act, the digital money can only be issued basically by private stablecoin issuers.
Which is backed.
It's invested in US government securities.
Exactly.
Let's hope that is always the case. It has to be audited, but that's the intention. In Europe, they've said, no, actually, we're going to issue these digital money from the central bank, the European Central Bank. The UK has been a bit more agnostic, but said, but a tokenized bank deposit would also be fine.
Do I need to understand all these machinations to use these things?
Not if you're a consumer, not if we're doing our job well. Our job is to make it really easy for you to do what you want to do. And you want it to be safe, you want it to be transparent, and you want it to be cheap. That's what you want. And that's what we have to give you.
Isn't that now where the significance of and integrity of the players truly comes into force? Because
trust really matters. People love banks or they hate banks. I know that. But one thing most people believe is that banks are pretty solid. There's a reason bank buildings are big solid buildings with granite pillars, because we want to demonstrate trust. We are heavily regulated so that we can be trusted. So banks have a real role to play. We are quite innovative as well. There's always going to be a tech company that's more innovative on the margin at one point in time. We're pretty innovative, but we are very trustworthy, and we're trusted by the state and by our clients.
And that's crucial.
It's critical.
It's not understood in a sense.
It will be understood as these tools are really adopted in the mainstream. They've been adopted thoroughly in the crypto world. In the cryptocurrencies, it's 100% digital. But that's a very self-contained universe. It's now branching into the fiat world, or some people would call it TradFi, traditional finance. We are TradFi. But we are the most active TradFi player in the crypto world. We're the third largest converter of cryptocurrency to fiat currency. So we're the bridge. And that bridge is going to become a multi-lane highway.
Come and join me.
Okay.
What gives you hope?